tiger on my shoe. Sometimes I throw it up so high, try to get the tiger to kill the dragons in the sky. It's a pretty awesome shoe. I really don't know what the song is about. Maybe it's about a unicorn dressed like a robot, eating ice cream out of a hat that he got from a robot cat. I don't know what I should sing. These lyrics don't mean a thing. I just wanna get my message across, but not right now.